Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to launch a poll on the BACH application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below and then scroll down to the planning toolkit section and tap on the launch a poll button. Here you should select from these options at the top, custom, date or location. So these are the three groups that you can select from based on the topic of your poll, and then you should enter your poll question here, provide answers or options, and here you can add another answer or another option, and here you can select whether you would like to enable your guest to choose multiple answers at a time, and you can also enable this keep answers anonymous feature. When you are done, click on the launch poll button. If you select the date, you should do the same thing, so you should enter your question and type in the date, and that's the same in terms of location. So click on the launch poll button and then you should be able to see how it looks like. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.